Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to share a post as a QR code on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the videos. On this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and the post that we have posted to the account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. Use the shortcut within bookmarks. And then wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to profile. Now let's click on a particular post. Top right corner, 3 dots. Go to share to and scroll to the bottom. Click on QR code. Change the color. And so people can scan this QR code with their smartphone's camera to see the particular post. Download the QR code. Let's save that to the desktop. Let's now go to the desktop. Click on that PNG. And if you or whoever scans this particular QR code, it will take us directly to that particular post shared on the 24th of November 2024 by Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit preview, go back to the web browser, done, quit Safari. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.